Hi, everybody, it's Adam, and I want to introduce a new friend to you. This is Odie the deer. Okay, that's right. So, Odie is here, and we're going to do the lesson on the word no today. No, no, no. That's right, it's one of your favorite words, isn't it? Nope. Are you sure? Nope. Okay, it's not your favorite word. Well, one of the things about the word no is it's really good to know what to do when you hear the word no. Uh-huh. I love the word no. I know you do. So one of the ways you can use the word no is when you tell someone, I do not want something. So I'm going to try it with you, okay, Odie? Okay. All right, I will say, Odie, do you want a drink of water? No. Okay, so that means you do not want a drink of water. Hey, would you want French fries or would you want mashed potatoes? I no. So no French fries? Nope. Mashed potatoes? Nope. Okay. How about beans? Yeah. Okay. You want some beans? Oh, I mean no. It's okay. You can say the word yes sometimes. All right. I just like the word no. Okay, that's pretty fun. No is also something you can tell someone when you want them to stop doing something. Huh? Yep. So if something were to be happening, like let's say you are like scratching my ear, and as you're scratching my ear, I wanted you to stop. I know that word. I know you do know that word, but it can also mean like I can say, no, no, thank you. And that can also mean I'm ready for you to stop. So you can scratch my ear, and then I can say, no, I'm done. And that means I want you to stop. So I can't keep scratching? Nope, you have to stop. And the answer is no. No. All right, everybody, do you want to try to practice it 1 or 2 times? Here we go. Let's practice saying the word no. 1, 2, 3, go. No. Good job. All right, I think that's it. Odie, thanks for joining us today. And today's word was no. See you later.